This system is built with aluminized materials, but we also offer stainless steel. All bends shown are in smooth radius, but we also build them in mandrel bent. The quality goes in before the name goes on. Dozens of tips in stock for you to choose from. Visit our website at richsperformanceexhaust.com to see it and hear it before you buy it. Interior tone level is mild to moderate. Pick your sound, pick your tips before you buy it at Rich's. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.